Welcome to CK Trading. Today we will discuss on how to avoid getting scammed in stock markets. So here we will look upon the things on how to stay safe and avoid getting scammed. These are some simple steps to follow and keep in mind before we start. Many people go on Google for become rich quick strategies in stock market and end up losing all the money. But do you want to put your money on someone else's opinion? Of course not. So here from this video you can make your own checklist and tick mark whatever specification the advisory provides and take calculated risk to make wealth, and not go from Instagram to YouTube and end up losing all your money to such fake advisories. As well said, money is usually attracted, not pursued. And the checklist to be made is as followed. Subscribe to our channel first. Secondly, track records. Ask them or see their past records and see if they are genuine enough. Ask for office location. Many scamming companies and advisors don't reveal their location or reveal the fake location, so question them on the location. If they ask you to deposit your money through them, never go back to them. Make sure they understand the work and are professionals in what they do. They have a trading community on Instagram or website from which you can attach to them. They are transparent enough and tell you what they do and why they do. If for a new subscription, they have a demo services so that you can understand them and how they work. If you keep all this checklist in mind and make a tick list, then we are sure that you can reduce your risk by 55%. So to summarize, when you're checking out on their services, these are some simple steps you should keep in mind. First, understand what are the services being offered by them, what are the terms and conditions they offer, and always do safe transactions and stay safe. And soon we are going to start the Trading Basics to Advanced free course. If you are willing to join, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.